make a call, please hang up and try again.
I'm very busy tonight. I've got an hour to ride. I'd rather stay in bed, my baby fish is dead. You should call me later sometime. Well, I might be sort of bored.